And the rough early lead is taken by Dinara. And on the outside, Sexy Chick moving up now. Keep your distance by the rail, Yapi Yo-Yo. And entry number 4, Love Kuto. And the mid backstretch, Dinara by 2.5 lengths, followed by Keep Your Distance. And on the outside is Love Kuto, Sexy Chick, and Happy Yo-Yo. Rounding the far tail is still Dinara. It's Dinara by 4.5 lengths, followed by Keep Your Distance in second. And moving up on the inside, Love Kuto, Sexy Chick, and Yappy Yo-Yo. And into the home stretch, it is still Dinara by a length and a half. And moving up on the outside is Keep Your Distance. At the top of the stretch, it is still Dinara by 2.5 lengths, followed by Keep Your Distance on the outside. And nearing the payoff line, it's still Dinara in the lead. It's Dinara, followed by Keep Your Distance, Love Kuto, and Sexy Chick on the farther outside. And at the payoff line, it is still Dinara and Keep Your Distance. Finally, Dinara, Keep Your Distance, Love Kuto, Sexy Chick, Yappy Yo-Yo.